guys, my name is Priscila Elias and I hope you had a good Christmas and a good New Year's Eve. I just stayed home, got to rest some, got to eat some good food. Pretty refreshing so I could get back with it all this week. Now, straight to the point. Last year, I got a lot of you asking me how I did my channel's intro video, and today I'll tell you how I easily did it. But before that, check it out. I did my channel's intro video before I released my first YouTube video, when I still had very limited knowledge on how to do videos. So of course, I wasn't able to do much from scratch. I googled YouTube intro videos and intro videos in general, and I found a service I use up until today, and that was not only useful to create my channel's intro video, but it's also where I get my music, my sound effects, my fonts, graphic motions, and even some add-ups such as brushes and presets for Photoshop. They also have some decent stock photos and videos which are not very often useful to me, but I know that they could be to many of you. This service is called Envato Elements. Before I show you how I did my channel's intro video in detail though, if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and click on the like button. You will help me a whole lot in return so I can keep creating content for you, and I will really appreciate it. So here we go. I use Final Cut Pro to do my video editing, so what I did was I opened the Envato Elements page. I clicked on Video Templates, and then I filtered my options by clicking Openers and Final Cut Pro. I downloaded the template I wanted for my intro, and then you will usually find the instructions on how to install it in the templates folder. In my case, for this template, I needed to install it in the titles folder. So I came to Applications, found Final Cut Pro, right-clicked over it, went to Show Package Contents, Plugins, Media Providers, Motion Effect, Content, Resources, Templates, Titles, and then I dragged the template folder I downloaded into this folder. Then I opened Final Cut Pro, and if you already had it open, please shut it down and then open it again. And here you will find the template. Then I created a new project, and I went to Titles. I found the template here, dragged it into the timeline of the project I created for the intro, and then I clicked over the first text here and edited it. You can also change the font, the size, the color of the text. You can just play around with the many options you will find here, and then to change the images, I just imported the photos I wanted to my library. I did not use this photo, but I don't have the open project anymore, so I will just use this one to show you how it works. And then here in Drop Zone, I just click on this arrow and a new screen opens where I can choose the image I want to apply to the template. I just click over the image and apply clip. And here you see the magic starts to happen. Of course, then you can choose whatever text and images you want to the rest of your intro, and also you can just go to Envato Elements again to choose the music you want for your intro. You can edit to the timeline of your project, and that's it. Easier than you thought it would be, huh? If you want to try out Envato Elements to see if you like it, you can create a free account and download up to 12 free files per month, or if you want to have more than that, you can just subscribe and go unlimited for 14.5 euros a month. I will leave a link for the service down here in the description for the ones of you who might be interested in it. It is important to say that I am not sponsored by Envato. It is just the service I've been using since I started out this channel, and I really like it a lot. so far so good. I can easily install all the templates I need. They're easy to use. I can filter my searches for music, sound effects and everything else easily on the website, and yeah, I think it is awesome for the price. If you use something to do something similar to what I do on my videos, please drop me a line in the comments letting me know what you use, how you like it, and if you try Envato elements out. Also, please let me know if you enjoy it. I would love to hear your experience with the creation of your content and maybe also learn some from you. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching me, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!